Here we have another diecast model from the brand 596 Chevrolet Express. Did we see another Chevrolet Express in one of my videos? Yes, I think about a week ago. I also did a review about this one, also from the brand 596. And this is the DHL livery. And here I've got the Sheriff livery. Okay, let's open up the package, but not before we take a look at the box first. 1/64 scale Chevrolet Express, New York City, New York Sheriff. Here we have the box. Okay, let's open up the package. The DHL livery was already very good, so I know this one will be too. Cool thing is, it got windows in the back. We're going to see with a flashlight if there's something in the back. I think not. What I think is really cool are the lights on top. Very well done. Windscreen wipers molded in the glass. A license plate that says 1209, lands the headlight, Sheriff in the middle. Very good rolling wheels. And here we have the back, also a light on top. Sheriff, again the 1209, and we got the Express logo with the Chevrolet logo on the left side. Let's have a look at the base. It's a metal base with some details. Good rubber tires with a good profile, in my opinion. Okay, let's have a look at the interior. We got a nice black interior. Hey, I see something that I didn't see in the DHL van. We're going to have a look at that later. Yeah, just like I thought, nothing in the back. Would be cool if there was some stuff in the back, but yeah, I was expecting that. Okay, let's have a look at the one from DHL pretty quick, because I'm not sure. Yeah, what I loved about this one is the license plate in the back and in the front. Here you can see it is without the window. Now let's have a look inside. See, there's a different interior, and the mid console is different. And I think here we have something that has to look like a LCD screen to get some information. Yeah, definitely is. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the like button, and I wish you all a very nice day. Happy hunting. Bye.